Welcome back. I'm Pashvika. Welcome to the channel where we make jewelry tutorial DIYs a lot more. Well, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful resin dried flower pendant. It's a kind of like a sunflower, right? I'm gonna show you how to make one. So let's dive in. Give this video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more such video. Make sure you grab our top 100 clay, top 100 jewelry ideas that actually can work as a template. It's a PDF download. You can grab it. The link is in description box below. You can download it. You can use these as a template design for making your jewelry. Without further ado, let's dive in with this tutorial. End result of beautiful dried flower raisin sunflower pendant. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'm gonna see you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye guys.